Today's weekly test is brought to you by Can't Hold Us.
Southeast Ohio, still cloudy 53 degrees, and Norfolk cloudy 54. Once again, in Butler.
Here we go! Alright. Yeah, guys. Turn the Mac, you would do. Y'all can't copy us.
Of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of the impending
Money.
tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest.
Never can't tell me nothing. Good people serve across the country.
Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.
Go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. The ceiling can't, whoa, boy.